Alright, so I got my NRG steering wheel in the mail. I'm going to switch it up because my other one's leather. And this one here is the suede, which is better. So you can see I ordered the red. It's got the nice suede with the engraving and the leather stitching and all that, NRG, and the 2 stripes for center lines. So that's the wheel. Let me just set this down here real quick. Pull the necessary hardware out here. So they give you just this bag. I opened it before here. Give you some instructions on what to do. And then your install kit here. So you can see this. There we go. So your install kit comes with the center hub ring, the horn button, your little product brochure, the connectors. Your horn buttons right here. Limited edition. Get your little tag number and whatnot, and a sticker. What else do you get in here? I think that's it. So I'm going to show you guys how to put this on a 240SX. This is my competition drift cars. So this is the car I'm going to be putting it on. This is my 1989 Nissan 240SX, the 1JZ VVTi swap. Here's the old NRG wheel that I'm going to put on, or take off I should say. You're just going to loosen these bolts right here, these Allens, little key, and then pull this hub off. I have a quick release, so I'm not going to take that off. I'm just going to bolt it back to my quick release. And you make sure you have the install kit from NRG, and go ahead and get started. Okay, I don't know how well you can see me because I don't have very good garage lighting, but basically there's the steering wheel installed. You can see it with the reflection of the light for the GoPro. Got your alignment mark. Just make sure when you have the wheel set up that your wheels are straight so you don't have these off center. And then just enjoy your new wheel. And take the old one and either repurpose it or take it and throw it in the trash, whatever. Whatever you want to do. Subscribe.